So there is a possibility of happening accidentally, and that's why I came back to um, I like the idea of not putting too much of the onus on the end user to be careful about what is PII. Am I sending the right things outside, or I should not be doing that way? Uh, Taking a step further, most of our data classification or identification policies are not easy to be converted into technical languages. And so while we all know that credit card information should not go outside, or certain health information should not go outside, or first name, last name should not go outside, there are many factors associated with what PII is that unless you are in that field, you may not know much about it. So education, security awareness trainings, education play a very important role, but supplementing that education with the right controls and mechanisms using DLP and tagging them. So uh, during my experience, the use Microsoft plays a very big role in this, wherein you can actually tag the types of data that really matter to you as an organization. So if I'm attaching a file on my Outlook and it contains some kind of PCI or any other information, it is going to throw in an alert. So then giving the user the ability to make a decision at that point to go with it or not, or even change the classification based on what it is in there. In addition to that, of course, the prevention control. I think a combination of those two will help in uh, making sure that the accidental exposure of the data does not happen. That's more from the end user perspective. Of course, there are other ways wherein there may be accidental exposure, poor configuration, poor access management, IAM rules. And so data security is not just about identifying the data and DLP, but also other cloud security posture tools or any other technical solutions that we can put in place to supplement it. It goes hand in hand.